Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Reverse sneezing in dogs can suddenly occur due to irritants like dust, pollen, or perfumes. It's a reflex to clear the nasal passages and isn't usually harmful. If it becomes frequent or severe, however, it's important to consult a vet to rule out underlying issues such as allergies or nasal mites. Keeping your home clean and well ventilated can help minimize episodes.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.